God is amazing. He has spinach for the northern parts of the world, and also has spinach for the southern part that is hard to grow. It's hard to grow spinach like you buy in the grocery store in the summer, only in the winter, and you have to spray it because bugs will eat it. But God is amazing. He made the spinach for Florida, for other southern parts. This is a native Florida spinach, and you can harvest the leaves. Now they're not quite as tender as the ones you buy in the grocery store, but it's great for cooking. You can cut it, take the leaves off, and you have nothing to lose but to take this one and stick it in here, and then a new one will arrive like this. So I bought this a couple of years ago, and where they have native plants. But the other day I saw it at Lowe's, and they sell it for $24.95.
Oh my goodness.
But you can, once you buy it, if you get it in the whatever you can find on sale, you can make hundreds of it.
What's the actual name for it?
Florida spinach, native spinach.
It's not New Zealand spinach?
No, I have New Zealand spinach.
Okay.
I can show you that one. This one is Florida. I call it native Florida spinach. Then it becomes a bush, and I gave it to my daughter. She planted it in Titusville. She forgot about it. She had chickens, and when I went to visit, that thing covered up the whole fence. And I said, Anna, look at your spinach. And she said, ooh, I forgot all about it. So we started cooking it. It's great to cook with. You can cook it with rice, you can put it in soup. Amazing. And then you lose nothing. I just stuck those branches about a week ago, and now they're already growing. Okay, this here is a New Zealand spinach, and it's beautiful. It's really tender, and you can make, you can pick up the leaves and make yourself an omelette, whatever you want. It's delicious, and it loves the hot weather, but also comes up, and the seeds drop and it comes up on its own in the winter time too. So this one came up by itself, but you can save the seeds. It's just not yet, but it's going to have seeds. You can save them and plant them whatever you want to. Otherwise, the thing comes up wherever it wants to come up. But it's yummy to eat. Thank you for watching me on this video. And next week we're gonna be taking some of this spinach and some of the other that New Zealand spinach and make some really wonderful food. So I hope you follow up and watch me. You'll enjoy it. Thank you.